Hi guys, it's the first mukbang video, so I hope you like Korean mukbang. What's this? Oh, nice. Oh, I really want to try this. What's this? Oh, looks so yummy. Would you like to try it? Looks like rice. This is what I'm telling you guys. That looks like it's yeah. That's good. This is the first mukbang video, so I hope you like the food. Come on, let's get started. So nice. I'm really confused which to eat first. I think I should go for my favorite, the rice cake. Going for the grilled one. I think it's not yet cooked, but I want it medium cooked. So nice. I should try the best and the most favorite of the kimchi. Oh my. It's really spicy. Their beef is really smooth. Wow. I need to eat slowly, you know? I don't want to get full so fast. I'm not sure how they do it, but they roll the cabbage, they put the meat inside, and I don't know, maybe some vegetables. Amazing. So nice. So how's your food, bro? How's it? Excellent. Really spicy, right? Spicy. So spicy. Let's try the noodles.
Not spicy. It's good. Perfect.
Alright,
Perfect amount of spicy.
Cool. I guess I'm a bit full now, but I can't stop. I can't stop really. It's really nice.
Save some room for you.
Oh. Let's go for my last meat. My last food probably. Finish up my plate. I think I'm almost done. Guys, I'm making noodles. So one of the best Samgyupsal noodles. And yeah, this is the finished one. So now it's ready and come on, let's go for noodles.